Huobi Wallet Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Welcome to my Huobi Wallet Full Review. Links to the product are available in the description below. Huobi Wallet is a multi-currency, non-custodial wallet designed to meet the needs of crypto users who are looking for a secure, feature-rich solution to store and manage their digital assets. Developed by Huobi, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, this wallet targets both new and experienced users with its combination of user-friendly interface and advanced features. One of the key strengths of Huobi Wallet is its extensive support for a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Huobi Token, HT, along with numerous other tokens across multiple blockchains. This makes it ideal for users holding diverse portfolios. In addition to this, the wallet integrates seamlessly with Huobi's exchange, enabling easy transfers between your wallet and exchange accounts. For those interested in decentralized finance, DeFi, Huobi Wallet allows you to access DeFi applications directly from the wallet, making it a versatile tool for managing assets and participating in the growing DeFi ecosystem. Security is another major feature of Huobi Wallet. It uses a combination of encryption, private key management, and cold storage options to ensure your assets remain safe. The wallet also supports multi-signature and two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added protection, which is essential for safeguarding your funds from unauthorized access. However, Huobi Wallet does have a few limitations. While it supports a wide variety of assets, it lacks some of the advanced features offered by other wallets, such as staking or built-in exchange functionalities beyond Huobi's platform. Also, the wallet's interface, while functional, could be more streamlined for users looking for a more minimalist experience. Finally, being linked to Huobi's ecosystem, it may not be as decentralized as some users would prefer. In conclusion, Huobi Wallet is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable, secure, and multi-currency wallet, especially for those who are already part of the Huobi ecosystem. Its support for a wide range of assets, security features, and DeFi integration make it an excellent option for both beginners and advanced users, though some may find its design and feature set lacking in certain areas.